Welcome the student on online class for subject physics. Today we study structure of atoms and nuclei. In this chapter number 15, we have studied today kinetic energy of electron, potential energy of electron. So in this period we have to study total energy of electron in Bohr theory of hydrogen atom. First of all, we see the formula. Kinetic energy of electron is equal to me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 h square n square. For ground state, its energy, it will be minus 13.5 electron volt or minus 9, it is plus 13.6 electron volt. So we know the formula for potential energy of electron. That will be minus me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square upon 4 epsilon 0 square h square n square. In these two formulas, some difference is there. Here 8 is there in kinetic energy, whereas in potential energy it will be 4 and direction will be minus. Today we want to see the value of energy of kinetic energy will be 13.6 or 13.5. We have calculate the potential value of potential energy for ground state. We know that small m, its value will be 9.1 into 10 to the power 31 kg. Charge, its value will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Epsilon 0, its value will be 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. H, its value will be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. And for ground state or for first orbit, n equal to 1. If we can substitute these values, so we can calculate potential energy. Potential energy of electron is equal to minus 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 raised to 4 divided by 4 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 raised to 2 multiplied by 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 raised to 2. Okay, it will be written as 9.1 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6, 10 to the power minus 31 into 10 to the power minus 76. Multiplication of 19 and 4. Here minus 4 into 8.85 into 8.85 into 6.63 into 6.63 into, that is 10 raised to minus 24 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 68. If we can add, so here it becomes minus 9.1 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 divided by 4 into 8.85 into 8.85 into 6.63 into 6.63 into the addition of these minus 1 and 107 Here addition of the two, minus 92. If minus 92 is shifted numerator, it is plus 92. So here 10 raised to minus 15. If we take log for numerator and denominator, numerator has 0.0.0.0.0. Characteristics are 5 quantities, 5 numbers. Denominator having 0.0.0. Characteristics of 5 numbers in denominator. Multiplication is there, so we can add. If we see logarithm for 91, it is 95 9. 16, it is 20 41. 20 41. 20 41. 20 41. Means addition will be 4, 16 and 9, 25, 2, 2 and 5, 7, 8 and 9, 17, and its addition will be 1.7754. Whereas here 4 having 0.6021, 88 in 5, that is 9469, 9469, 8215, 8215. If we add, so what happens? 10, 10 and 9, 29, 2, 4, 10, 16 to 18, 1, 4, 4, 4, 12 and 1, 13, 9, 9, 9, 27, 33 and 8, 41. So that is 4.1389. If we can subtract from numerator 4.1389. So here 14, 9 is subtracted, 5 is remain. 15, 9 is subtracted, 6 is remain. 7, 4 is subtracted, 3 is remain. 7, 1 is subtracted, 6 is remain. And here bar 3, take antilog for 0.6365. So 0.6365, its antilog will be minus, because all having minus, so its antilog will be 4.330 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 15 joule. If we shifted the decimal point here, so it will be minus 43.30 into 10 to the power, that is minus 1, minus 4, minus 15 is minus 90 joule. That is potential energy of electron. If we can calculate potential energy of electron in 1 electron volt, we know that 1 electron volt, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So therefore 1 joule is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. If we substitute the value here, so potential energy of electron, it will be minus 43.30 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. What happened? 10 to the power minus 19 get cancel. Here minus 43.30 divided by 1.6. So if we take log 1.0 minus, so 43 in 3, its log will be 6365. 16, its log will be 2041. What happened? 5, 1, it is 4. 1 is subtracted from 5, remains 4. 4 is subtracted from 6, remains 2. 0 is subtracted from 3, 3. 2 is subtracted from 6, 4. And here 1. if we take antilog for 4324, so its antilog will be 2.707 into 10 raised to 1 minus, and therefore potential energy of electron in electron volt is equal to minus 27.07 or minus 27.2. Okay, if we substitute here, potential energy is minus 27.07, then we want to find total energy of electron. So total energy of electron, it will be summation of kinetic energy of electron and potential energy of electron. So total energy will be total energy of electron. It will be kinetic energy of electron plus potential energy of electron. If we substitute the values here, two values are substituted. What is me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square hs square n square minus me raised to 4 upon 4 epsilon 0 square hs square n square. If common terms are, write this epsilon 0 square hs square n square, then in bracket it will be 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4. Whatever, it will be me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h square n square minus 4 minus 8 upon 32. It becomes is equal to minus me raised to 4 upon epsilon 0 square h square n square in bracket minus 4 upon 32. It is 8, and so that total energy will be minus me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h square n square. And if we add these two values, you get total energy of electron. So here, if minus me raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h square bracket into 1 upon n square, if bracket term is constant, then we say that total energy of electron is inversely proportional to square of principal quantum number. Similarly, kinetic energy of electron, potential energy of electron and total energy of electron, it will be inversely proportional to square of principal quantum number. If we put the value of kinetic energy and potential energy here, what happens? Kinetic energy of electron will be 13.5 minus 27.07. What happens? 27.07 plus 13.5. What happens? 5, 7, 5, and this is 3 will be minus 13.57. It will be total energy of electron in electron volt. If we take 6 here, 6, then here, what happens? Minus 13.47, which is approximately equal to minus 13.5 electron volt, which will be kinetic, so total energy. So from these two values, we say that total energy of electron is equal to kinetic energy of electron, and potential energy of electron is equal to minus 2 times total energy of electron.